Hi class, my name is Alicia Yuri. Today's date is August 18th, 2021. This is for hands-on lab 10, exercise 1 and 2, the antibiotic sensitivity Kirby Bauer diffusion. This is our experiment video. The time is 9:26 p.m. So I went ahead and cleaned the area, put on my PPE. I have my pipette sitting in the alcohol, my epidermidis broth here, the lit candle, my agar plate, my L spreader, and then my antibiotic disc and the tweezers here. So first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and take the epidermidis, and I'm going to go ahead and place the cap right here. And I'm going to go ahead and sterilize the lip of the tube. Okay, and I'm going to set that right there. And I'm going to go ahead and take my pipette and make sure all the alcohol is out before drawing up my broth. So when I do draw up the broth, I'm going to draw up 0.5 mLs and drop 8 drops onto my agar plate in the center of the plate. Okay, so it looks like everything is out. So I'm going to go ahead and draw up . Okay, so I have my broth here, and I'm gonna go ahead and my agar plate is closed right now. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, and I have it labeled already and sectioned off for the 3 antibiotics that we are going to be placing on here. So I'm gonna drop 8 drops in the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and place the remaining there. And then I'm going to go ahead and put that back in the alcohol. And then I'm going to go ahead and sterilize the lip of the broth tube again. So I can go ahead and close it. Oh, let me cover this up while I'm doing that. Okay. That is now sterilized. And now that I have my 8 drops on here, I'm going to open my L spreader. I'm gonna actually make sure I hold the straight end and not by the bottom of it. So I'm gonna open up my agar plate, and I'm gonna go ahead and start spreading the broth evenly on the agar. Okay, and then once that is done, I'm gonna put that back in the alcohol. I'm gonna cover this up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit for the next hour or 2, so that way the broth can absorb in the agar. Once that is done, I will go ahead and take the antibiotic disc and place the correct one in the labeled areas that I have marked off for them. And once those adhere, or I stick them onto their areas, I'll let them sit on there for 10 minutes. And after the 10 minutes, I will go ahead and place them in my incubation area with the agar faced up. Again, I'll place the disc on using the tweezers, and then after that I'll wait 12 hours to see if anything grows, and then I will upload the results. If for some reason in 12 hours I don't get any results, I can incubate for another additional 12 hours. And this will conclude exercise 1 for the hands-on lab 10. For exercise 2, I have the microscope here, and we are going to look at our slide, the penicillium with conidia, and at the high resolution setting, and I'll go ahead and take a picture of what I see and then upload the results in a data table. And that would conclude exercise 2 for hands-on lab 10. Thank you, and we will go ahead and result this afterwards.